The Colorado Avalanche are making things very difficult for the highly touted Nashville Predators. While some believed the Preds were a guarantee Western Conference finalist, the Avies are looking to upset the President's Trophy-winning powerhouse. Colorado captain Gabriel Landeskog enjoyed a better second half of the season, but he is really turning things up in the playoffs. He is tied for fourth with 7 points and has 4 goals in 5 games. He is leading his team by example, and after a strong regular season, the Avalanche are looking to bring glory back to Denver sooner rather than later. More from Puck Pros. Matt Duchene hit the road earlier this year, and the Avies haven't looked back. Nathan MacKinnon enjoyed a return to the top this season and is the undisputed top-line center. With that all the drama in Colorado put to rest, MacKinnon is well on his way to becoming one of the NHL's best. He has 3 goals and 3 assists in the playoffs and is second only to Alexander Ovechkin with 23 shots on goal. For the Predators, depth is the name of the game. They boast one of the strongest rosters in the NHL, and are hungry for their first Stanley Cup win in franchise history. Ryan Johansson is still looking for his identity in the NHL, but he looks like a top-line center for the two-way Predators. He has 2 goals and 3 assists so far in the playoffs and has developed strong chemistry with Filip Forsberg. As long as they continue to score, the Predators have every chance of winning. The big names are on the blue line. Roman Josi, PK Subban, Brian Ellis, and Mattias Ekholm are the best group of defenders in the NHL. They all have abilities at both ends of the ice and continue to help the Predators win games. With all 4 healthy and booming, it is hard to see the Predators falling in the first round. Live stream info date, Sunday, April 22nd ND start time, 7 p.m. At Venue, Pepsi Center location, Denver, Colorado series lead, Nashville leads 3-2 TV channel, NBCSN, TVAS, Alt, FSTN, SN Canada, live stream, NBCSN, SN Canada. Who would have thought Andrew Hammond would become a stellar goaltender in the playoffs? He is keeping the Avalanche alive against a talented squad and looks ready to go head-to-head with Pekka Rinne for the rest of this series. Do not count the Avalanche out just yet. Check out the rest of our Stanley Cup playoffs coverage.